What is it about the judgment of the appeal today that really struck you as far as what you heard?
A few things. I think first and foremost, it's disheartening to see that the province and the federal government is dumping so much money into research about sexual assault when it is completely irrelevant to what happens in the courtroom. And furthermore, as a victim myself, and a very privileged victim, I have no access to any resources to help me get through another trial. Yet we're dumping so much money into research, and there's no services that exist for sexually assaulted women. And this is me talking as someone who's incredibly privileged. So I think that sends another loud, clear message to people who are sexually assaulted: don't bother. Don't bother reporting. You won't be believed, there's no one to support you, and it will be a brutalizing process.
Do you feel you were robbed of your ruling from the way the trial judge handled things after hearing what happened today?
Sorry, can you repeat that?
Do you feel you were robbed of the initial ruling by the trial judge and the way he handled himself?
It was you who wrote the judgment.
I never needed any man to tell me if I was raped or not. I always knew I was raped. It didn't really matter. Like I said after the conviction, it's not justice. You can't undo the rape with someone deciding whether I'm a credible victim or not. So I don't feel like anything's been undone. I still know what happened to me. And it doesn't matter what the legal system thinks.
This has been a trying experience for him, both emotionally and financially. And he looks forward to continue to protest his innocence at the retrial. But beyond that, we're not making much in the way of comment today.
What did you hear today, though, from Justice Danbrod as far as how Justice Zucker erred in his verdict?
Well, he was concerned predominantly that the judgment just didn't explain the reasons why he disregarded Mr. Ururyar's evidence, and that's the fundamental bedrock of the criminal justice system, is that people be presumed innocent and that their evidence be properly considered, and that wasn't done by the trial judge in this case, and that's ultimately, if there is a retrial, that's what will be the issue on the retrial.